Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your Hotmail inbox using the web interface so you can quickly stay on top of your emails. Let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to the official login page for Outlook. Click sign in over here, enter your email and password carefully. Once in, you land into the Outlook homepage. Take note of the navigation panel on the left side over here. This is gonna be your everyday tools in here and folders. From the sidebar, click Inbox. All right. By default, you should be on the inbox already, and it's going to be at the top of the folder list. Here, you will see all of your received emails, including any unread messages. Okay. And you can easily click on them individually and select any appropriate actions you need, like delete, archive, reply, move to a specific folder, go to junk, flag, and report. And that's it. Now you know how to check your Hotmail inbox anytime. I hope you found this video very helpful.